The Honeywell 41-inch commercial grade freestanding bottom loading water cooler dispenser. The Honeywell 41-inch commercial grade freestanding bottom loading water cooler dispenser is by far the best freestanding Honeywell water cooler dispenser that we could find. In addition to being freestanding, this is also a bottom loading water dispenser, which means there's no need for costly installation procedures that need to be conducted for this cooler to work. You just fill up the bottle, open up the door at the bottom of the device, and hook the bottle up to the appropriate connectors. The door closes again, which means the bottle is completely hidden away from plain sight. This makes it a perfect option for an office setting. The water cooler, including the internal compartment, are made from a high-quality stainless steel material. This adds to the overall value of the dispenser, as stainless steel water coolers are known to be more durable and last longer in general when compared with other options.